Hi, my name is Luis Dianda and I'm the application engineer here at Fulham. I'm here today to show you how to install one of our HotSpot1 kits into a troffer. All HotSpot kits come with a driver, a battery, an LED module, hardware, installation instructions, and a label. Here we have our luminaire, which has been pulled down from the ceiling. Once inside the fixture, you'll have to remove the ballast compartment cover. Next, you can take the self-tapping screws included in your kit to secure the emergency driver to the housing. You will take the remaining screws and mount the battery to the housing as well. Next, you will wire the emergency driver into a power source. The emergency driver requires a live power source at all times. If sharing the connection with the existing ballast, please ensure that there is power at all times. Otherwise, an independent power source will need to be added. Now, using your disconnect as a central connection, you can plug that into the power source. For this kit, we're using linear interlinkable LED modules. First, you want to line up your LED modules where you will have sufficient enough wire length to clear the cover channel, as well as be able to plug into the LED emergency driver as well. Once you've lined everything up, you can go ahead and drill it into the fixture. Next, take your second module and plug it into the previous module. Take your last module and do the same. Next, what we will do is drill a hole for our test switch. This will be drilled into the ballast compartment cover using a 1/2-inch drill bit. You'll have to remove the lug nut and feed it through the 1/2-inch hole. Use the same lug nut to fasten the test switch to the compartment cover. Plug the test switch into the emergency driver. The final step will be to plug the battery into the emergency driver. You can now position the cover back onto the fixture. Ensure that all wires are properly tucked underneath the cover. The very last step will be to place the label somewhere where it would be easy and visible for an inspector to see. Last thing to do will be to put the cover back on and reapply power to your fixture. At this point, the emergency lights should turn off and your fluorescent bulbs should turn back on. The test button indicator switch should be lit, indicating that there is charging to the battery and power to the system. You can also push the button to test that there's power to the emergency system as well. In the event of a power outage, you will see the emergency system kick on. For further information on our HotSpot kits or products, and to download spec sheets, installation instructions, and other documentation, please visit us at fulham.com.